In the previous lecture, we have learnt about food grains, its properties, quality of food grains, and various terminologies associated with it. In this lecture, we will learn about uniform specifications of food grains with emphasis on wheat, paddy, and rice. Before discussing uniform specification of food grains, let us discuss about specification first. So, what it means by specification? A specification can be defined as a set of documented requirements to be satisfied by a product or material or design or service. It acts as an understandable language among producers and consumers and play a vital role in effective and efficient functioning of the market. Specifications serve as the benchmark parameters of quality identified and accepted by all the stakeholders like producer, promoter, seller, consumer, government communities, etc. A specification may also be called as standard or grade. Specifications for agricultural commodities. Agriculture is the mainstay of life, producing what we need to survive and thrive. As agricultural commodities are heterogeneous in nature, promotion of specification or standards is an important aspect of agricultural marketing. Standards help in increasing efficiencies, sustainability, and traceability in food production. Specifications help in grading and differentiating agricultural commodities for purposes based on quality difference, which ultimately leads to better price, either at domestic or international market. Specifications raise quality consciousness among the farmers, entrepreneurs, and other market functionaries, as well as it helps them to equip to face the global competition. Also, consumers not only enjoy a good quality end product that is safe to eat, they have access to greater choices as well. Specification may undergo changes depending upon demands and preferences. Now, why uniform specification for agricultural commodities? India is a vast country having different agro-climatic regions. Different regions grow different varieties of rice, wheat, and other food grains as per agro-climatic suitability. As it may be, hundreds of varieties of wheat, rice, and other food grains across the country, it is not possible for government to formulate different specification for different varieties of same crop and to implement variety-wise MSP support to farmers. To overcome this issue, it was a need for common or uniform specification for major agricultural crops so that MSP can be implemented across the nation. Who decides uniform specification? Government of India has constituted a committee to suggest or recommend for formulation of uniform specifications every year before the commencement of Kharif and Rabi marketing seasons to facilitate procurement of food grains under Central Pool by FCI and other procuring agencies. Committee is headed by Joint Secretary, Policy, who is the chairman of the committee, while Joint Commissioner, S&R, of the department is the member secretary of the committee. Other members of the committee are Executive Director, Quality Control, and General Manager, Quality Control, from FCI, Director or his nominee of CFTRI Mysore, and Secretary, Food, from Government of Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Assam. Prior to formulation of specifications, suggestions and comments from all state governments, union territories administrations, and procuring agencies like Food Corporation of India are called for. The committee takes into consideration the views and suggestions received, the existing specifications, prevailing agro-climatic conditions, the interest of the PDS consumers, etc., and decide the specifications for the Rabi and Kharif marketing seasons to be recommended to the government. Uniform specifications of food grains are also well within the prescribed norms of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, that is FSSAI, which has specified the quality norms of food grains for human consumption. Central Pool food grains, to be procured by all procuring agencies, strictly conform to these uniform specifications. Notification of uniform specifications before every marketing season is one of the basic requirements, keeping in view of the interest of both producers and consumers. Cereal crops covered under uniform specifications. Department of Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, releases uniform specifications for 7 cereal crops, which are paddy, wheat, maj, barley, sorghum, pearl millet and finger millet. Out of 7 cereal crops, uniform specification of paddy, including rice, maize, sorghum, pearl millet, and finger millet are released before every Kharif marketing season. While uniform specification for wheat and barley are released before every Rabi marketing season. Food grains commonly procured by FCI. FCI is the nodal agency of Government of India for procurement of wheat, paddy, and rice, which are primarily procured under Central Pool. Wheat is procured as single commodity, while paddy is procured under 2 subcategories named Grade A and Common. The resultant rice from paddy is procured under 4 subcategories, which are raw rice, common, raw rice, Grade A, boiled rice, common, and boiled rice, Grade A. In the next lecture, we will learn about uniform specifications in respect of wheat, paddy, and rice in details. Thank you.